So you just replaced your battery and your car still won't start. Yeah, it was never the battery. Phone call. All right, I'm back. 9 times out of 10, the real culprit is your alternator. It's the part that keeps your battery charged while you drive. So if it's dying, it doesn't matter how new your battery is. It's gonna drain it anyway. Here's how you know it's the alternator. Your lights are flickering, electronics are acting up, you're hearing a whining noise from the engine, or your car stalls while you're driving, not just at startup. That last one, it's your alternator, not your battery. Big difference. Stop throwing money at the wrong problem. Got a phone call again. Come see us at Lens Automotive. We'll run a full charging system check and give you a straight answer. Link in bio to book.